Hi, this is Jodo. I feel glad to present my video resume. My agenda is five different topics, starts with about me and ends with interest. So the five agenda topics are about me, education, skills, experience, and interest. Now I start with the first agenda about me. I possess BEMS in Information Technology, received gold medal in MS. I possess fluent communication skill in English. My career objectives are to secure a challenging position in a reputable organization to expand my learnings, knowledge, and skills. Secure a responsible career opportunity to fully utilize my training and skills while making a significant contribution to the success of the company. My third objective is seeking a high level position to begin my career in a high level professional environment. My core values are adaptability, honesty and integrity, strong self confidence, responsibility, stress management, self motivated, self learning, possessing a positive attitude, teamwork, and time management. So you can reach me here at joewriter.wordpress.com. My email ID is joedoxyz@gmail.com. My contact number is 98765 43210 with the prefix 91. Following about me and my objectives and core values, I wish to present on my education. My educational qualification details are furnished below for your kind reference. I completed my MS Information Technology in Cambridge University during the period 1993 to 1995, in which I received gold medal. So I was the gold medalist. In 1989, the period of 1989 to 1993, I completed my BE Information Technology in Cambridge University with 8.94 as CGPA, received Best Outgoing Student Award. I completed my HSLC with 93% in Cambridge International School during the period 1987 to 1989. My skills are listed below. So I submit that I possess the following technical skills. The skills are artificial intelligence, networking, Python, .NET, MS Office, and web designing. My experience details. I was working as project manager in my previous company, XCL Technologies London. I own 15 years of working experience in this field. My accomplishments: set up and trained staff of 15 on how to use Microsoft Azure platform for cloud computing purposes, reimagined business development strategy to include a 20% increase in sales force, resulting in $550 million in increased profits year over year. Chosen for team lead on 15 design projects in 2016, 30% more projects led than any other team members. Received two promotions from team leader to project manager in less than 12 months. Digitized company's internal microfilm library of more than 5,000 files. My interests are as enlisted below. I wish to start with my reading I like to read blogs, websites, e-magazines, philosophical thoughts, motivational books. I have good interest in sports such as cricket, football, basketball, throwball, rifle shooting, cycling, etc. I like movie to watch movies during my leisure time. I like comic movies, science fiction based movies, and I love to write quotes, articles, stories, and ebooks. Thank you.